it all started when, me as a student, sabi ko noon, I was a law student. Every day, we would see reports of people getting killed and bodies on the streets. And for me, ito lang ba yung pwede kong gawin? And me being here now and being in this moment, for me, parang this means that, number one, wow, I got to do so much more. And wow, I cannot wait to do even more. Ito yung pinag-usapan namin ni Attorney Gwen na when we were trying to ask each other that, did we ever think, did we ever imagine? No, no, not really. I think we were at that point where what we just wanted to do was to do the work. And it didn't matter where that work will, at least at that time, that will bring us, because all the odds were against us. And all that was within our control was yung trabaho that we can do. So I dreamt of it, but I hindi ko siya naisip na magiging totoo siya.
Colleen!
Siguro yung isa ko ring nararamdaman is that it's such an honor to be in service of Filipinos who are doing their best to be brave. Alam ko na maraming ganun din na nagtatrabaho sa kanya-kanyang sulok ng Pilipinas o ng mundo para makarating tayo dito. And for me, yun yung meaning niya sa akin, na hindi ako mag-isa, at pwede ko sabihin din sa mga pamilya back home na tama, hindi tayo alone, hindi tayo mag-isa sa ginagawa natin. I think everyone who's worked so hard and so bravely all these years, kasi hindi naman tayo makakarating dito if it weren't for everyone chipping in what they can. And sabi ko, in the end, I told them na pauwi na ako. Yan.